Okay, so in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a backup of your WordPress site so you can move it about and perhaps restore it in another computer that has a WordPress XAMPP installation in it. As you can see, I have XAMPP installed in my Windows machine. I also have the WordPress add-on, and if you need instructions how to install both software, please consult my other video tutorial. So I got Apache MySQL both running, and that's important because what I'm gonna do next requires both servers to be running. And what I'm gonna do is go open up my browser, and I just did, and visit localhost/phpMyAdmin, because the first thing we want to do is export the Bitnami WordPress database. So to do so, we're already in the phpMyAdmin homepage, and this is important. Before you click export, make sure that you are in phpMyAdmin's homepage. Next, I'm going to go ahead and click export, click custom, and then in the list of databases, I'm going to go ahead and select or click on Bitnami WordPress. Now, and that's all I have to do. I don't have to bother with these other options, and then just click go at the bottom of the page, and that gives me a SQL file which puts it, well, Chrome put it in my downloads folder. So what I'm going to do is move that to my desktop so we can talk about it later. Alright, next, now that that's done, I can go ahead and close that. But do remember, when you import this SQL file into another computer that has already WordPress installed, you have to, if there is an existing Bitnami WordPress database, you must delete that database. You must drop it. And in case you forgot how to do that, well, again, so localhost/phpMyAdmin, and if you have to delete a database, you can go ahead and click databases at the top. Coming from the home page, click databases, check the box next to the database you want to delete, and then click the drop link. So I'm not going to do that here, but that's what you have to do to import this to another computer. Now, next, I need a copy of the WP content folder. Now, where is that? Okay, let's travel to that folder. So, since I'm using Windows, I have to go to my C drive. In the case of Mac users, you have to go to your applications folder. So, I'm going to go to my C drive, into my XAMPP folder. Same thing for Mac. Once you get into applications, you go into the XAMPP folder. For both Mac and Windows, once you're in the XAMPP folder, well, actually, for Windows users, once you're in the XAMPP folder, you just go into the apps folder. If you're using Mac, you have to locate the XAMPP files, the XAMPP files folder, and when you go in there, you'll find the apps folder like this. Now, once you're in the apps folder, you'll find WordPress. Go in there. Once you're in the WordPress folder, you're going to see htdocs, and go in the htdocs folder, and there you'll find WP content. So what I'm going to do is create a copy of that, and say put a copy of that on my desktop. So whatever that contains, whatever your WordPress site contains in your local installation of WordPress in your computer, you're effectively creating a backup of those. Okay, so yeah, and that's all you need. And depending on how many themes and plugins you've installed in your WordPress system, this might take a while. So my advice is to keep the themes and the number of themes and number of plugins on the low, so you don't have to deal with large file sizes or folder sizes.